The arscniek 7-in-1 Kids Activity Table and Chair Set offers a versatile play space for children aged 3 to 7, encouraging creativity and interactive play. This set includes a double-sided tabletop that can be easily converted from a building block surface to a smooth surface, perfect for dining, drawing, or learning activities. The table's sturdy and ergonomic design ensures that children can sit comfortably and maintain proper posture, supporting their physical development. Made from durable ABS plastic, the table and chairs are lightweight, easy to assemble, and feature rounded corners to prevent injuries, ensuring a safe play environment. With 152 brightly colored marble-run building blocks, this set stimulates children's spatial imagination, communication skills, and hands-on abilities. Ideal as a gift for any occasion, this activity table set promotes joyous family time and is a fantastic way for parents to bond with their children while fostering their growth.